Learn English to Hindi want forms
चाहना,
and past phrases. Welcome to the great want machine. Hey, you're here, and that means your brain probably.
चाहना,
Knowledge. Good news. Today we make wanting ridiculously memorable. In English, our hero word is want. In Hindi, that base word is.
चाहना,
Imagine a dramatic movie scene. A cat stares at pizza, violin music plays, and the cat whispers.
चाहना,
That is your first memory hook. To want is.
चाहना,
Meet the time-traveling wish club. Now you'll meet a whole group of people, all wanting things in the past. Yes, it's a very emotional club. The base form is want.
चाहना,
I wanted.
मैं चाहता था,
You wanted.
तुम चाहते थे,
He wanted.
वो चाहता था,
She wanted.
वो चाहती थी,
It wanted.
ये चाहता था,
We wanted.
हम चाहते थे,
You wanted, plural or familiar group practice again.
तुम चाहते थे,
They wanted.
वे चाहते थे,
A very serious tea disaster. Let's put these words into a silly mini-story, because your memory loves drama almost as much as Bollywood does. Yesterday, nobody at the station could make up their mind. I looked at the chai stand and thought.
मैं चाहता था,
Some tea. My friend looked offended and said, No.
तुम चाहते थे,
Coffee, remember? Another friend pointed at the closed snack shop and said the manager looked sad because.
वो चाहता था,
More customers. Then a woman at the ticket window sighed because.
वो चाहती थी,
To go home early. Even the broken ticket machine beeped like.
ये चाहता था,
A vacation. Meanwhile, our whole group complained.
हम चाहते थे,
More time. The people behind us nodded in agreement.
वे चाहते थे,
The same thing. And that, my friend, is how a simple cup of tea became a grammar festival. Quick pattern drill. Now repeat with me. Short, clear, and slightly dramatic works best. Want.
चाहना,
I wanted.
मैं चाहता था,
You wanted.
तुम चाहते थे,
He wanted.
वो चाहता था,
She wanted.
वो चाहती थी,
It wanted.
ये चाहता था,
We wanted.
हम चाहते थे,
They wanted.
वे चाहते थे,
Mini dialogues you can actually use. You're doing great. Now let's make the phrases sound alive instead of floating around like lonely dictionary ghosts. A. Do you want tea? B. Yes.
चाहना,
Is the base verb, but in real life I'd say the full sentence. A. Why were you disappointed? B. Because.
मैं चाहता था,
To leave early. A. Why did I order coffee? B. Because.
तुम चाहते थे,
Coffee, not tea. A. Why was he late? B. Maybe.
वो चाहता था,
One more samosa. A. Why was she waiting? B.
वो चाहती थी,
To speak with him. A. Why did the robot beep sadly? B.
ये चाहता था,
To rest. A. Why did your group stay longer? B.
हम चाहते थे,
To help. A. Why did the others complain? B.
वे चाहते थे,
More time. Memory tricks that stick. Here's the sneaky part. We make the words ridiculous so your brain refuses to forget them. 4.
चाहना,
Imagine your hand stretching toward a glowing cup of chai. You want it. You almost need background music. 4.
मैं चाहता था,
Picture yourself yesterday saying, I wanted tea, and also world peace, but mostly tea. 4.
तुम चाहते थे,
Imagine pointing at your friend and saying, you wanted coffee. Don't rewrite history, Ravi. 4.
वो चाहता था.
Imagine a dramatic hero looking at the mountain and whispering that he wanted to climb it. 4.
वो चाहती थी.
Imagine a heroine staring out a rainy window because she wanted adventure. 4.
ये चाहता था.
Imagine a tiny robot filing an official complaint because it wanted a holiday. 4.
हम चाहते थे.
Imagine your whole friend group united by one noble goal: extra snacks. 4.
वे चाहते थे.
Imagine a crowd all staring at the last samosa in respectful silence. Fast quiz, no panic. Time for a quick check. No stress. If you miss one, the grammar police will not arrive. Probably. How do you say want?
चाहना.
How do you say I wanted?
मैं चाहता था.
How do you say you wanted?
तुम चाहते थे.
How do you say he wanted?
वो चाहता था.
How do you say she wanted?
वो चाहती थी.
How do you say it wanted?
ये चाहता था.
How do you say we wanted?
हम चाहते थे.
How do you say they wanted?
वे चाहते थे.
Your speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Say each phrase aloud like you are narrating the most overdramatic tea order in history. Say, I want. Then remember the base verb.
चाहना.
Say, I wanted tea. Use.
मैं चाहता था.
Say, you wanted more time. Use.
तुम चाहते थे.
Say, he wanted the red book. Use.
वो चाहता था.
Say, she wanted to speak. Use.
वो चाहती थी.
Say, it wanted help. Use.
ये चाहता था.
Say, we wanted to help. Use.
हम चाहते थे.
Say, they wanted more time. Use.
वे चाहते थे.
Friendly wrap up. You made it through the Great Want Machine, and honestly, that deserves applause and maybe chai. Today you practiced want and wanted in Hindi.
चाहना. मैं चाहता था. तुम चाहते थे. वो चाहता था. वो चाहती थी. ये चाहता था. हम चाहते थे.
And.
वे चाहते थे.
Thanks for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, repeat the phrases tomorrow, and let your memory do the rest. You've got this.